Mnaenda haraka sana.
These are the guys who take good care of their health. The matters related to medicine. Let us welcome the doctors. Thank you so much. The doctors, the nurses, they are very important in the society. The doctors, they treat us, they give us medication. They are very, very important in the society. Anyone who wants to become a doctor?